Good morning. Today is the 27th, I think. It's the 27th of March. I'm not even sure anymore because excitement is killing me. So I finally got this bad boy over here. The GeForce GTX Titan X. This is the Nvidia edition with this sexy box over here. So I'm gonna get it unboxed. It's my first time ordering from Nvidia, actually. I was gonna go EVGA, but to be honest, I was really hyped up for this card. I couldn't wait, and it was like out of stock at the time. So you pull this up, and there it is. Jesus, honestly, it's bigger than I thought. Let me unwrap it. Attention, observe for handling. Yeah, right. Alright. Give me a moment while I open it. There we go. And there it is. It's a beast. So it has a nice little window here, lower style fan. It's very sturdy looking. Let's see how it will run. I do see a little bit of foam here. It's probably because it's raining outside, so it's very cold. I'm gonna have to wipe it a little bit before putting it in my system. So here, this here is removable. There you go. Very, very nice. So I'll be uploading benchmarks soon. I'll be testing it, see what it can do. Thank you for watching.